It all began on the rainy morning. The sky was grey and thunder rumbled softly in the distance. Yami stood at her bedroom window watching the raindrops streak across the glass. Today marked the beginning of her third year of Skura High, a school now offered its cherry blossoms, friendly students, and a perfect reputation. But Yumi had always scented something else. Something could lurking beneath the school's polished surface. He just did not know how deep it would go. Not yet. As she stepped through the school gates, catching her remembers she met her best friend Daisy. He was Gloffy, always joking around but incredible loyal. Together they walked to class unaware then that a new student had arrived, a girl named Rena Mizuki. She she was quite beautiful with long black hair and eyes that seemed too serious for someone her age. She was introduced political by the teacher and sat in the last row, never speaking unless spoken to. Yummy noticed Rina started out the window most of the time as if waiting for something. A few days passed and strange things happened around the school. A janitor was injured seriously in the science lab. Two students disappeared and the school principal said they moved away. Rumors began spreading about a course about students began taken underground yummy spreading about a course about students began that taken underground. Yummy tried to ignore it until one afternoon when she stayed began to clean the classroom. Rena was still there staring at the sky. Yumi approached her and school hello, but Rina suddenly grabbed her wrist and whispered, "You leave. You need to leave before the rings tomorrow. Tomorrow everything will change." That night Yumi could not sleep. She kept remembering Rina faced the fear in her voice. The next morning she arrived at school early and saw Rina snacking into the gym storage room. Curious and worried, she followed her quietly. Inside, she discovered a hidden staircase leading underground. It was dark, damp, and cloud. Yummy followed it down, only to be catched by something. A tall figure in the black lab coat was glowing eyes and struggled but blacked out from the chloroform. She woke up inside a stair room strapped to the table. Around her were machines, glowing screens, and strange diagrams on the walls and ground of mask. Individual walked in. Out of them removed their mask. It was the voice principal, Mr. Caddy. Yummy was he shocked. He should not have come here, Kadia said, but maybe you will be useful to the project. Just then Rina stormed in wielding a stolen tears. She shocked Kadia and helped Yumi escape. Alarms break. The underground facility come to life. Seared flashing light and security boards causing them. Yummy and Rina made it to the surface, running to the dormitories. Rina explained everything. I was not stopped to be a student. I was planned her to observe the school in the front, a research hub. They take students will have memories capacity and impact false memories for behavioral testing. I was one of them, but I remembered who I was. Yummy stories true. to observe the trust, but deep down she had always felt something strange about the school. Rina showed her chip behind her ear, a small glowing blue impact. Yummy thought her one neck and froze. There was something there. Determined to expose the trust, Yumi and Rina formed a plan. They needed evidence, they needed else. Yumi convinced Duchess to help to did not believe her at first, but when she showed him to scare at the chief, her doubt turned to fear. The trio hacked the principal's office that night, uncovering years of record with students' data transfer, cover-ups, behavior experiments. More shocking that they found a file labeled Subject 90. Yummy Eddie Yummy's hands trembled around to the files. Her memories for began age 10 were artificial. The group decided to release that data, but it was not easy. But the school security was tight. Mr. Cadia was on to them. She sent out squad of Android drones posing all hall monitors. There was a dramatic confrontation in the gym. The students used classroom chairs, fire, even sports equipment to fight Black. Rhythm was wondered that is what captured. Yummy had to make a choose run or go back for her friends. She closed to return snacking into the facility once